I specialise in hip and knee surgery, including anterior and minimally invasive hip replacement, robotic-assisted joint replacements, partial knee replacements, and revision procedures for complex cases. I also manage sporting injuries and orthopaedic trauma in adults and children. I'm passionate about using advanced surgical techniques to help patients return to the activities they love, whether that's walking comfortably, playing sport, or simply living without pain. I'm a local South Australian completing medical training at the University of Adelaide in 2012. Since then, I completed my orthopaedic training in hospitals in South Australia and the Northern Territory. After achieving fellowship of the Royal Australasian College of Surgeons and the Australian Orthopaedic Association, I pursued further specialty training in the United Kingdom. My first fellowship was focused on robotic-assisted hip and knee replacements, partial knee replacements, and mini hip replacements at the Golden Jubilee Hospital in Glasgow, one of the highest volume joint replacement hospitals in Europe. My second fellowship was at the Nuffield Orthopaedic Centre in Oxford, a prestigious hospital with a long history in orthopaedics. There, I learned to manage some of the most difficult complications that can occur in hip and knee replacements. I was also able to travel to Switzerland to spend time with world-leading surgeons in anterior, minimally invasive hip replacements, where I further refined my technique. Training alongside internationally recognised surgeons in Australia and Europe has given me the opportunity to learn techniques that I now bring home to benefit my South Australian patients. Every patient's anatomy, lifestyle, and goals are unique. That's why my approach is highly individualised, utilising technology such as robotics and advanced imaging to plan surgery with precision and restore natural movement. Ultimately, what drives me is seeing people regain their confidence, mobility, and quality of life after surgery. That's the most rewarding part of what I do.
Dr. Danny Awad is an orthopaedic surgeon with Adelaide Orthopaedic Specialists. He consults and operates at Flinders Private, Ashford and Western Hospitals. For appointments, call 08 8267 8286 or email drdannyadmin@aos.com.au.